We're covering Colorado First on CBS News Colorado at 6 with the latest on a scathing report detailing major safety concerns in Denver public schools.
It's a survey of 11 high school principals conducted by a private contractor that DPS hired last spring. Your investigative reporter Katie Weiss has been working to obtain that report for nearly 2 months. And Katie, this is a report that the district initially tried to hide from the public.
Yeah, Michael, when we first learned about the report this summer, we filed an open records request for it because we believe the public has a right to know how principals really feel about the district's safety policies. Now, the district at first denied our request, saying that it was attorney-client privilege, but we obtained documents showing otherwise. And after our attorneys spoke with the district last Monday, we finally were given a copy of the report Friday afternoon.
I think it's very concerning, frankly, on the part of the district. I think it continues what we've seen as a pattern of secrecy and a really alarming lack of transparency.
Heather Lamb is a mom of 2 kids in DPS and one who just graduated from East High School. After a shooting at East this spring, she formed an activist group called Resign DPS Board. She says this report detailing honest safety concerns from Denver principals should be met with real changes and fast.
I mean, it is outrageous how little accountability we are putting on students and on a district that needs to protect everyone.
One of the items she said was most shocking to her in the report was the lack of support principals said they get after a student is deemed a high threat level. This spring, a student who had been deemed a threat was being searched by 2 deans at East High School when he opened fire on them.
And that gives me great concern.
Also in the report, principals detail serious issues with DPS's discipline policies, saying when students are accused of committing dangerous crimes, it's difficult to get them expelled or transferred to an alternative or pathway school.
If someone has been charged with a violent crime, there is no place for those kids in the mainstream education system in Denver.
The district has formed a committee to review potential changes to discipline policies, but changes likely won't come for months. Lamb feels changes should be made much sooner.
We've got to revise the discipline matrix. We have to allow for expulsions.
Nicholas Martinez, the head of the education nonprofit Transform Education Now, agrees.
What are we doing before a kid gets in trouble?
He says changes should be coupled with more interventions for at-risk kids to ensure any policy changes are rooted in equity.
What are we doing to make sure that we're addressing some of the root causes of the school to prison pipeline, ensuring that every child has access to a quality learning environment, that they're getting both the academic and the social emotional resources and tools that they need.
DPS says since this report was completed, it has dedicated $82 million to mental health resources and has adopted a long-term safety plan, among other changes. But Lamb feels that's not enough.
This board and this superintendent, they have chosen to spend their time on protecting a very select few from the consequences of criminal activity.
Now, what's still missing from the report are all of the recommendations that the contractor later made to the district as a result of the principal's responses. And we're told some of those recommendations were really important safety changes that the district could make quickly to help keep students and staff safer. We'll be continuing to press for answers. And in the meantime, if you'd like to read a full copy of that report that has been released, you can just head to our website, cbscolorado.com. Michael?
And Katie, we know you've been working on this for a long time, and we know you'll stay on top of it for us. Thank you. School safety is just one of the issues we're tackling Thursday in the DPS school board debate. Our Marcel Griego joins Regis University, Chalkbeat Colorado, and Educate Denver to question the candidates. You can watch it this Thursday at 7 on our streaming service, cbsnewscolorado.com.